In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Jotform with the PayPal commerce platform. If you've been looking for a straightforward way to link your online forms with a trusted payment processor like PayPal, you're in the right place. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your payment collection process, ensuring that transactions are smooth for both you and your customers. Now, let's get started. First things first, we'll need to head over to jotform.com. If you're not already familiar, Jotform is a convenient web-based tool for creating forms. Once you arrive at the Jotform homepage, go ahead and sign in using your credentials. It's important to have your login information ready to ensure a seamless process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific Jotform form you want to integrate with the PayPal commerce platform. This means you should have your form built or in progress before diving into the integration process. With your chosen form open, we'll now proceed to add the payment element necessary for integration with PayPal. In the Jotform form builder, look for the Add Element button, which will allow you to customize your form further. Now in the Elements list, click on the Payments tab. This tab is your gateway to integrating with various payment options, helping you choose the right fit for your form's needs. Next, scroll through the list of available payment gateways and select PayPal Business. This specific option is crucial for those wanting to utilize the broader functionalities of PayPal within Jotform, including accepting major credit cards, debit cards, and other popular payment methods in one seamless integration. Clicking on PayPal Business will open up the payment settings. Here you'll see a Connect button. This is where you'll be linking your actual PayPal account. Clicking Connect will prompt you to log into your PayPal Business account, so you may want to have your PayPal login details handy. This step is vital, as it's where the actual communication between Jotform and PayPal begins. After logging in, you'll need to follow the on-screen instructions to grant Jotform permission to access your PayPal account. By authorizing this connection, you're enabling Jotform to process payments through PayPal's secure system, giving you peace of mind regarding transaction safety. Once this connection is established, you can begin configuring your payment settings within Jotform. This includes setting up your payment methods, detailing the products available, setting pricing, and customizing any other settings relevant to your user's payment journey. Finally, after configuring your form to your liking, it's time to embed it onto your website. This is where the magic happens. You'll now be able to start accepting payments directly through PayPal using the intuitive form you've just integrated. And that's it. By following these steps, you have successfully integrated your Jotform with the PayPal commerce platform, setting the stage for efficient and secure online transactions.